Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. We are here at Sarthana Nature Park. This video is kind of an informational vlog about the Sarthana Nature Park. This video is divided into 5 parts, in which first part will be the introduction. After that, we will see water animals. Moving forward, we will see wild animals, and towards the end of the video, we will see birds. So, let's start with the same. So, as part of the introduction, Sarthana Nature Park is a zoological garden located in Surat, Gujarat, owned and managed by Surat Municipal Corporation. This is the largest zoological garden of the state and one of the oldest zoological parks of Gujarat, spread over 81 acres with River Tapi on its north. The zoo was established in 1984, the first zoo in South Gujarat region and Gujarat's breeding center. The total land area covered by this park is 81 acres. The zoo has successfully bred lions, Royal Bengal tigers, Himalayan bears and various birds. First of all, after entering the zoo, we get to see some aquatic animals. As it has been a long time since the establishment of this park, many birds and aquatic animals have not been seen nowadays. So we just walked through them. There were not much aquatic animals, but we get to see some alligators and crocodiles while moving forward. While walking ahead, there were also some aquatic birds like spoonbill and emu, but there were not much of them, so we started moving forward. Moving ahead, we get to see some wild animals, in which first there was Royal Bengal tiger. The tiger is one of the largest and most awesome predators in world. This species undoubtedly fascinates every eye it meets. Tiger strips are individually as unique as human fingerprints. The body length of the majestic male ranges from 275 to 290 cm and of the female around 260 cm. Moving forward, we saw many types of deers such as blue bull, nilgai, barasingha, etc. These were the only creatures that we get to see in a great number and of different types. After that, we get to see lions and bears. Asiatic black bear's coat is short-haired and glossy black. On its chest is a V-shaped design formed by long white hair that fall out from its shoulders. Now moving ahead with the birds, first of all we saw ostriches. It is a huge flightless bird found in Africa. It can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. It mainly feeds on seeds, grass, fruits and flowers. Occasionally, they also eat insects such as locust. Largest eggs in the world, averaging around 15 cm and weighing up to 1.5 kg. Female may lay up to 11 eggs. Male-female both incubates the eggs for 40 days. Then, after ostrich, we get to see some other birds like parrots, peacocks, etc. There were various other birds like white peafowl, golden pheasants, red lory, etc. The white peafowl, seen more often in captivity, is a result of genetic mutation rather than an albino bird, and is native to India and Sri Lanka and live on the ground in a dry forest and do not fly long distances. The familiar bird with the beautiful display feathers is actually the male or peacock. The female bird is called peahen and young are called peachicks. Peacock is the national bird of India. So, now moving towards the end of the vlog, here are some of the images of animals and birds which were not included in the vlog. I hope you liked the vlog and thank you for watching till the end.